guys, welcome to another day. Today is Monday and I look so pretty. I was crashing out a few hours ago because it kind of like my hairstyle didn't want to cooperate. I tried like 3 different hairstyles. Good morning guys, welcome back to good morning. Good morning guys, welcome back to another day. I am so ugly. I feel ugly. I don't even want to lie. I feel ugly. Oh my goodness, I feel ugly guys. And I get to be a guy. I'm gonna try to let me put you guys on a tripod. I'm not having it. Like I'm gonna right. I don't know. So let me wipe you guys please. Hi guys, today's Monday and I'm crashing out. I'm not really crashing out. Like I don't know how to feel. I'm watching a vlog. Let me pause it a bit. I feel ugly. The time I'm getting a photo shoot. The time I have a photo shoot, we have a photo shoot by hence me wearing this t-shirt. So man, like I feel ugly and I feel like yes, I like funny. When you feel like guys, how do I look ugly? Like I look ugly to you, like you like me telling something that I'm good one because I'm not know. Guys, someone that is on the internet for the rest of my life. Game movie. No. I don't know if I should change and get to this other one that I love, but then the thing is a live swing and I don't think I should do that hairstyle because it's a look I need to so I don't know what to do. So things also funny last kind of. Let me see. Do I look bad? No, if I can find it that way. Or maybe you can go to the place. Let's go just please. Guys, I'm not feel like I feel so ugly and I'm gonna sound because how can I guys mind you 11 when 11 I have like guys what am I gonna do? Should I change the hairstyle? Because I'm gonna keep working mom and I'm warning you man. Let me change the hairstyle. Let me eat first after eating beard. So I'm yeah and then I phone it does lokhu kuncane like ngizosikhanje kuzobonakala at least kuyabonakala lokhu kumele kubonakala because I'm going for a photo shoot yezimbali leadership yezimbali. So I don't want hair coming in front of my face because I'm pretty sure that's why yabo. So I wanted a hairstyle engekizilethile inwele ebusweni but then yabo lo angeke ngimsuse because it's not like it's hiding anything, it's on the side. But anyways, yeah, we are going to a photo shoot manager go on. And then I'm coming back to rest honestly because I think those when you but after the photo shooting I'm going to rest causing some food because Biyela next week guys. I don't know if I should also wear my glasses. Yeah, I'm gonna go like this and shoot like that. So I pause. So that's one. Secretary, come you next in it. And I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna be serious with Biyela. But I'm taking you guys along with me, period. And yeah, so let us go to campus for a photo shoot. But anyways, let me just do this and eat because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Like baby. But anyways, I bought this thing. I don't like it. I don't like this thing. Because it was cheap. I bought Skull. I'm a Red Bull girl. I love the Red Bull. I'll buy and drinking Red Bulls. But I decided to try out a Skull. And we're gonna be pulling an all-nighter. Suppose that is true. Suppose that is Skull. Nice dross. It smells. Guys. Hey guys. I don't know how are you guys positioned honestly. I don't even know if you nyangiza because it hits it on but I'm about to start my study session there. And I'm gonna separate like my study session there and do la mama ngabhala next week. Lawa angwabhaling because I'm literally writing on Thursday and Friday, so we're gonna do those modules. But first is scope and then we're gonna see how we're gonna work things out. But I'm gonna show you guys my Binima Barbie. Like yeah, but I need to do like because it's blue, it's not white. But anyways, we are gonna be isn't this so pose, isn't this so thing, or the things we're going to be utilizing for our study session for tonight, or the things that we're going to be what's the word, I can't even matter. For today's study session we have a score, and then we have popcorns and then we also have our Smarties, and I got them for 8 rand. About 8 rand ShopRite. Namhlanje they were reduced. I don't know why they were reduced, but then they were reduced. Yeah, and that's it. I don't know if I should have book a vlog or fucking time on my side. Like, which one should I do, guys? Look at it, we're gonna see. Angkat pakai silenda. Apa kena nak kali caci mawayo? Hi guys, I just woke up and I washed my face, my poop. I'm craving macaroni and fish with what? I don't know with what, but then I'm craving that thing and I'm gonna make it right now. What else did I want to say? I don't know what I wanted to say. Guys, it's very cold today. Today is very cold. Oh my goodness. Love, I have to be in class 2:30. Guys, it's so cold. Oh my goodness. Yo, it is so cold. Like, get bad. It's freezing. But yeah, guys. Yeah. Let's go make food. I'm pretty sure by 1 p.m. we'll be saying kadila because 10 munch. Go on, we'll be saying kadila. So let's go feed my cravings.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it.
Hi guys. It's currently 9 p.m. and I'm about to have a night study session. I'm gonna divide my I'm gonna divide my study session into I don't know how many, I don't know, Gitin Valley. But what I'm trying to say is that I'm going to divide my study session. I'm going to have 40 minutes study session. Give me a break. 40 minutes. Give me a break. I think I'm going to have 2 study sessions tonight, Biyela. I'm going to have 2 study sessions. And then Gilal, because I have a class at 11. But we are about to have a night study session. 40 minutes, and then take a break, and then come for another 40 minutes, and then sleep after. But anyways, oh guys, I bought stationery. Well, it's not stationery. Well, it is. I bought like exam pad like when I was home. I bought 3 of my exam pads that I'm gonna use to study. And then I also got a bunch of pens. I got a bunch of pens. I bought them up and low. Second semester. But in the thing, these pencils, they are so cute. Oh my goodness, guys, my these are cute. And these pencils are so cute. Like, look at them, guys. Look, aren't they cute? They are. Just look at them. They're so cute, and the only reason I got them is because they're cute. Other than that, Mina and this pencil. But because I saw these pencils and I found them cute, I just bought them. But anyways, yeah, guys, let us study.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I'm done with the first 40 minutes of my study session. And anything I show you. Okay, I managed to do 1 poem. I have like 5 poems. Is it 5 or 6? Okay, I have 5 poems in total that I need to study. I've done 1 so far, and singing break match. I think it's gonna be a 10-15 minutes break, and then another one, another 40 minutes, and like the other 40 minutes I'm gonna do another poem, and I'm gonna do a poem, the same poet but I need to complete all of these poems. Never mind.